Okay, so I just made a video that I have shared with you on making a graph in Microsoft Excel. I'm now going to show you how to do the same thing. Sorry, my computer's acting up a little. How to do the same thing in Google Sheets. So I'm going to copy some data over. With properly labeled data with units. Then I'm going to select that data. I'm going to press Insert, Chart. Instead of line chart, we want a scatter chart. This one here. And as we can see, this one labeled it correctly. We have our axes labels, our label, and all our data nicely plotted. So that is pretty simple. You can click on different things to pop up the settings here on how you need to edit it if you need to make adjustments. And then by clicking on the data, if you ever need to add a trend line, click trend line. For the precipitation lab, you do not need to add a trend line because we are not doing a linear regression. And then your label will be the equation if you want to see the equation. And that is quickly graphing in Google Sheets. Hope this helps.